Now, our final honoree for the evening, our final honoree for this evening, is Mr. Dave Hines. Dave Hines is a registered nurse and devoted volunteer with the Jaja Foundation. Though humble and unassuming by nature, Dave is truly a champion for Jaja, standing out as a dedicated and essential member of our team. Each year, Dave goes above and beyond, taking on lead roles during our mission trips and ensuring everything runs smoothly. Beyond that, he's one of our top ticket sellers. Can you believe that? One of our top ticket sellers for fundraisers and a go-to resource for anything we need on the ground in Jamaica. Dave is deeply invested in the foundation's operations, always offering thoughtful solutions and showing incredible initiative. His contributions are truly invaluable. It is with great pride that the Board of Directors presents Mr. Dave Hines with the Jaja Angel Award. Please join me in recognizing this outstanding, dedicated Jamaican for his service to Jaja Foundation.
Dixon, our visionary leader. My Jaja Foundation supporters, thank you for coming out tonight. It was a great pleasure that I'm here tonight. And it's always a pleasure to serve Jaja Foundation. What I see the Angel Award as is not a trophy or a gift, but what I see it as a symbol of the Foundation's resilience. What I see is your unwavering support. And what I see is my drive to fight harder for those in need. Thank you all for coming out. Please continue to support Jaja Foundation and have a blessed night.